Okay, question number 30. Just a moment. Right. Okay. So the gravitational potential is V. Let me start the timer. The gravitational potential is V at a distance r from the surface of a spherical planet of radius r. Which means what? You have a planet of radius r and at a distance r above the surface. Which means what? So let us say at this point the potential is V. Let me call this point as some P here. The potential is V here. Potential is V here. Okay. So what is the potential given by V is equal to G m divided by total distance, distance, which should be 2r. Okay, according to this, with the from the center of the planet. Then what is the gravitational potential at a distance 2r above the surface of the planet? Now with respect to this surface, if it is the point is at a distance 2r from here, q here. Okay, so now what is the gravitational potential? Which means what? With respect to the center, it should be 3r, right? So now UVQ can be written as Gm divided by 3r over here. Now we should express in terms of Vp. That's it. What I will do is I will just write this as 1 by 3, 1 by 3, time up. Okay, 1 by 3, just a moment. 1 by 3 into 2 into Gm by 2r. I'll write like this. Okay, so this is Gm by 3r, I'm writing it like this. So the 2 and 2 it cancels. Now what is this quantity inside the bracket Gm by 2r, which is Vp? So I will write this as 2 by 3 times Vp, and Vp is V. So the answer is 2 by 3 times V. 2 by 3 times V, 2V by 3, answer is D.